Hey guys, this is Chris from Flat 6 Motorsports, and today I want to make a quick video showing you the Rennline track mats because we just got these in and we're really excited to show them off to you. So let's go ahead and install them in our 981 Cayman really quick. Now I'm going to go ahead and put these down for a second because the first step is going to be removing our factory mats. And you'll notice that these have a little dimple where the dimples in the car will line up and actually grab these mats. Similarly, the Rennline ones have these two dimple holes, and that makes it really easy to get these aligned and installed in your car. And there you have it, just like that, the mats are installed. These are really great because you don't have to remove these mats when you go to the track, whereas the factory mats do need to be removed in case they ever stick into the throttle pedal. And when you're not at the track, you can go ahead and reinstall your factory floor mats so they look OEM. Check these out and other cool Rennline products at flat6motorsports.com.